Being a gym rat isn't what people think it is. We don't just go to get jacked or be healthy. There's so much more to it than that. A lot of us go because the pain in the body quiets the pain in the mind. And having something difficult to pursue and chase after gives a good solid sense of a small purpose in life. Like, hey, maybe I'm not worth much in my own head, but I can deadlift a couple 100 pounds. At least there's that. Or maybe the pent-up rage or sorrow is tearing us up inside, so we get to channel all of that into a PR. It's a peaceful life. We wouldn't trade it for anything. I don't care if you're tired or if you're going through bad times right now. You need to work much harder. Nobody cares about your problems. Most successful people have had a hard life. You are nothing special. The only thing that matters are your results.
ये काफी है कि वो मेरा हुआ था कभी. इस बात को छोड़ो कि वो अब किसका है.
It's all by your side. You got to do.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ. मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की.
Bitch, come on, you bitch. You scared coward. You got mad about fucking me. You ain't like 2 minutes of my word, bitch. Look at you scared now, you hoe. Scared like you look like.
Okay, let me finish. I gotta prove it. Prove what? I'm not a mistake.
जब दर्द हो समझ लो कुछ बदलने वाला है, और अगर दर्द नहीं हो रहा है तो समझ लो कुछ बदल ही नहीं रहा है. You okay?
I'm fine. Just resting.
Did you get up?
Yeah, I always get up.
सपने देखने से बॉडी नहीं बनती मेरे दोस्त. उसके लिए हर दिन जिम में जाकर पसीना बहाना पड़ता है.